I am Nitish Rohan from LabVIEW Programming. In the previous video, as I explained you how can we create a handle for user interface using the event. Okay, so the output of that program was something look like this. Okay, play value change. Okay, play button value change. Okay, after that variable pointer slide if I will use, sorry, vertical pointer slide if I will use. Okay, so what is going here? Okay, I am going to stop this ones. Okay, and after that when I will run, first this stack sequence will execute. This stack sequence will initialize our control string control and capture event. Okay, string control and capture event by using the empty array. Then loop will wait for the event. When I will click it, when I will click, let's see, when I will click the play button. So what is the name of play button? What is the label? Label is play button. What happen if I will change it? Okay, only play. So now first this loop has been executed. Now this loop is waiting for the event. When I will press this only play, so it will go. Okay, then only play will be execute. Okay, now the data has been displayed here. Only play value change. Only play value change. Now it's again waiting for the another event. When I will press it again, so again the value change event will occur and the event value play event will be execute. Now it will again wait for my interactions. So now if I will click here in string control, can I change the string control const? No. And just I will press N. So string control keywords has been pressed. That's why. Okay. It will display. First I pressed caps lock button. So for that, it's first I pressed caps. Okay, caps lock button. That's why it's generating string control key down. String control key down. Okay. Now second thing. Again after that I placed N 2 times. So it display the string control and string control repeat, string control key down, string control repeat event twice. Now talk about the variable pointer, sorry, vertical pointer slide. If I will click here only once, so now it will display that value. Okay, when I will, if I will click this one and try to drag down, okay, so okay, if I will click and I will try to drag it down, okay, so again for my one drag, okay, for my one click, the variable pointer slider will we read that value at the same time and it will display. So now I am going to change something in my code. Why? I will display, I will show you. When it will be stop the work, stop the performance, sorry, complete the event task, then I will show you. I think now the event execute okay has been stopped. Now it's waiting for one next event. So I will close the execution highlight. Then after I will press the stop button, not abort. This is about stop button. Why? Because I want to stop. So what will happen if I want when I will press the stop button? Let's see. It will go to the stop loop and it will give the time to complete the last execution and stop value change. Now I am going to change some logics, okay, with this program. So let's try to change it. Here I want to place the new value, and in place of control S, okay, control B, sorry. Now I will try to connect this one, okay, value change. So I want to connect the value change in last. So for that %d maybe, control B, I want to delete this one. No. So first I don't want to change the value change, okay, I don't want to keep this one. Firstly only the delete, then I will see what we can do. Okay, close, only type. Okay, now here I will paste, only play. Pressed. Okay, so after that come to the variable pointers, delete this one, control B, I want to change this one, delete. I want to take only this. Now it will be not pointer. I try to replace these things with the knob. Okay, knob. Knob value change. Okay, and the knob value will be 10. Now, and the scale, I am going to fix the scale like this. No, not. Okay, so I will change the U8. Great. control B, delete this one, delete this one. Good. Now I will delete this and this. I will connect this one here, and I will remove this one. Nice. So now what will be the output? Let's check it. Value change pressed, sorry, okay, value change pressed. So now my target has been not achieved, so I will again try to edit the logic. So let's come here, so I don't want to okay, so not paste, so what can I do? Okay, we will change after that. First we will try to check it, the another output also, NITESH, okay, key down NITESH, great. So there are key down, right. So now I don't need type anymore. Now I don't need type, I need characters everywhere. Delete. Okay, so first I will come here, application instant, I will take a property. When you will connect with this property with anybody, then you will get a label and label text. Can I copy and place here? Yes, I can copy it. First, characters, reference, copy, control B, item path, knob, characters, good, and last one, let's see what will be the output now. And after that I will delete this one, control T, run, only placed, knob 2, knob 3, knob 4, knob 5, knob 6. Okay, and I NATIONAL, national. So now you can change. Now you know how can you change and control the things as per your requirement, and whenever you will be the press the value show. Okay, you can, whenever you will press the value, and you can count that value. So thank you for watching this video.